Nope, he's coming around.
Oh, no, he's going after everyone. He's going in front of everybody. Probably get over. Oh, no. Oh.
He's going for the other group.
Let's catch up with him. Ah!
Yeah, let's...
That's good. He's trying to get a clock on us. What do people want to call me?
No, this is our garbage. Right there is the... Alright everyone, good morning. So today is day 2 of Crown Rally West. And we're all a little bit tired from yesterday, I'll be honest. We got in at like 11 o'clock. We didn't go to bed until about 1 o'clock. And now we're up again at 7 o'clock. Today's a long driving day. We've got about 6 hours of driving, 385 miles. I think we'll cut that down a little bit, but either way, you know, it's gonna be a good time. The roads we're going on are gonna be awesome. Final destination for today, I think, is Salt Lake City, if I'm not mistaken. Got Dustin here. Dustin's here. We're waiting on Sean, his son Caleb, and then Bill. Smoke it. Thirsty ass bitch is gonna take all the guys.
So, I hope you realize we're only an hour into our 6-hour drive.
I got my GPT dress on today. Yeah.
Oh my god, what the hell? Autobots, transform! Oh, whoa, what flavor is that?
I know, I saw it in there.
What flavor?
I've never seen this before. Salsa verde.
Guys, I had Cool Ranch for the first time.
You had what?
Cool Ranch?
I had Cool
For the
Ranch
first time?
on this trip. It's so good.
Let me see, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Good?
Does it taste like Mexico?
Good? Good? Does it
Tastes like what? It tastes like the smell of Chipotle when you go inside.
Oh my god, do you think?
Everybody waited for us.
Larry.
Yeah, take this! Yeah, take that, Larry!
I said, what's up?
Oh, he's pulling over.
He's flipping or Ewing.
Porsche?
Nope, he's coming around.
Oh, no, he's going after everyone. He's going in front of everybody. Do I pull over or just let him by or what? Probably get over. Oh, no. Oh.
He's going for the other group.
Wow, let's catch up with him. Ah!
Yeah, let's go catch up.
That's good. Just start mobbing and see what he does. We know where he's going. He's trying to get ahead to get a clock on us. No, I think he's just trying to, he's just trying to go as fast as he can to get the big group. Oh, this is hilarious.
We're chasing a cop now.
Oh, he's getting the Porsche.
Chasing a cop. Oh man!
The slowest car.
The guy that slowed us down is who he's getting.
so slow.
Cop's already out of the car. He's pissed. You got a camera car.
Dude, it's 2 lanes. Why are we taking up all 3 lanes? Watch out, guys. Everybody's gonna go.
What is going on right here?
Just hard brakes, hard brakes. Hello?
Hi, good afternoon.
Make
Hi, good
this shit
afternoon,
quick.
sir. My name is Evelyn. I'm calling from Sirius XM. This call may be recorded for quality purposes. Is
Call
this
me.
Sean
Hey,
Rob?
I can't talk right now. I'm driving 150 miles an hour on a racetrack. Call me back next Tuesday.
Welcome to Hawaii Car.
Hey, no, we don't want to take a break. Remind me later. Nobody. We were moving. We caught air.
So, an update on the light barn.
Yes.
Because, let me tell you, the wind noise inside the cabin of this
Oh, is it
car.
bad?
Just. Thankfully, we have reception for a lot of it, so you just turn the volume up. But in all seriousness, like I kept sticking my hand out just to feel if it was lifting, and here and there, you would feel it like they're a little, like just a little bit. You feel a little bit of play right here. These obviously not doing.
Yeah.
We can unscrew these actually.
Oh my God! It flew off.
Light bar.
Yeah.
But the ratchet strap configuration we have here is doing very well. We just gotta paint these black or like put black tape over them so it looks better. But these are doing very well, and then it has slid back a bit, but it's slid back perfectly into these pieces right here.
Bye, Josh.
So this is working perfectly right here. We've gone very fast boogie speeds, and it is sustained boogie speeds.
Oh yes.
So look at all the bugs we've killed.
Oh, I know. We've killed a whole generation of bugs.
See this? Watch what Savage Car Care does. The ultra ceramic spray. Watch this.
Gone.
Gone. Now, a little bit more elbow grease is going to be perfect. But, guys, I'm not paid to endorse this stuff. I'm just telling you, it works. It works.
Jimbo.
And somehow we beat the PP boys. Not sure how, but we did. Yo, so how's it going in the 65? I'm jealous as
amazing.
shit of you.
I love
in that
it.
car. I'm so jealous of you.
Eating all the bumps up, get my ass massage.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
yeah. That thing is. What is all this stuff flying around? Dustin looks like he's conducting.
Water, earth, fire, air.
Sorry about my dandruff, guys.
How's being co-pilot in that thing doing?
Great, man. I love it. It's actually it's like a classic rally car.
Mm-hmm.
2000, early 2000s all over again.
You missed something there. Very nice.
I broke the black arm too. It's just a great day so far.
Wait, really? You broke?
One of the like pivot screws that the struts all pivot on.
Yeah.
so I have to rebuild it when we get to lunch.
Shit. Are you able to use it right now or no?
What?
You're able to use it now?
No. It's just, it's free flowing, so it doesn't have any damping, so it looks like everyone's like on a trampoline.
Yeah.
So it's not very, I just took it off.
Yeah.
That
Can I
bumpy road
show
that we
the
were on?
audience something though?
Yes.
Not only did they wrap their car yellow, but you accented the interior pieces. You've got
Wait
the
till
button on the steering wheel is yellow.
This
The
is my
start
button.
button is yellow.
I got a steering wheel coming, that'll be cool.
Wait, you have a yellow steering wheel with
just the yellow stripe, you know. Just a little touch like right here, 'cause this is gross.
Why don't you just use yellow gaffer's tape?
I could. Then it would be more
It'd be
industry
cheaper.
correct.
It would be more film correct.
Yeah.
Did I just void the whole reason you bought that steering wheel now?
Yeah. Maybe call him, see if I can cancel yet.
I might have just saved you $1,000, homie.
So, what happened then?
Well, I put my tablet down earlier. Dylan just put it at his feet because we were jamming out listening to music, and I guess we jammed a little too hard.
Oh my god. Well,
I think I see Google Maps in the corner there, but if I know. Damn a tablet. God damn it. Welcome to Utah. Oh my gosh. This is really, really scary, but damn, is it cute. Puppers.
I'm the bees! Hello! Hi, how are you? Yeah. Hello, buddy! Hi, buddy!
What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, that's scary. What the hell is that? It's got eyelashes! So obviously we can't use the tablet anymore because Dylan and we totaled the tablet. That's what we did. But now we just have 2 magnet mounts here. We got 2 phones. Brilliant. So the thing is you can't use the controls here where it covers. So if you want to see the phone, this is the down position. If you want to use the phone or use the controls, you gotta put it in the up position. So down for view, up for control.
yep, and we're making this next right.
We're gonna be making it right. Lost traction on it. Oh, my car just put itself in limp mode. What the f? Yeah.
Temperature?
Jimbo, is everything okay?
The car just threw itself hard into limp mode. Like it went ESC fault and the car was like, what the fuck? So hold on, let me, oh, the car just shut itself off. Uh-oh.
You stood back like a 3-4 foot flame right there.
Uh-oh.
We can take you, boys, because if your car is stuck, like, I mean, you're not gonna be able to fix a cooling system on a hot car right now. I'm glad he got that fixed. I was saying this when we first were starting to drive and come back, but the Audis are letting us down. Like, my, you know what it is? I brought a Beamer with me. That's what it is. We good, thanks. Are you good?
Are you the driver?
That's my car, yeah.
That's awesome. Can we just have a chat really quick?
Sure.
So, I hope you realize we're only an hour into our 6-hour drive. Oh my. Look at Dustin. Dustin has become Bush. How long are you pissing?